If your wipers sound like this, they're skipping, they're dry rotted, or falling apart, it's time to replace them. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to replace them quick and easy, and I'll show you which brands I recommend. Got the best wiper blades you can find. If you look on YouTube for Project Farm, he does a very thorough test on all different brands of wiper blades. And I've been using these since day one. I had them on every single one of my cars. I bought it one time and they last, I would say, more than 3 years, because I had 3 years in pretty much each one of them. Right now I got the OEM ones on the Ram. Less than a year, they're already chirping, skipping, and they're full of crap, okay? So I highly recommend Bosh Icon blades. You go to Advanced or AutoZone, you want to get the 24A. A has to deal with the clip because they also have 24OE. So make sure you get A, because A is the one that fits on your hook, 24-inch both blades. All right, you're going to grab your wiper blade arm, pull it toward you. Underneath here, right here, is a clip. You're going to push this clip in, and that releases the blade from the car, okay? Never leave your arm in this up position, because it could come down and it will shatter your windshield. You're going to take the old one. Like I said, this is OEM. You see?
Yeah.
This is the OEM one, junk. You're gonna take your Bosh, take it out. It's a very simple process. Don't go to dealers and get wiper blades, trust me. I worked in dealers, and it ain't worth it. Okay, now on the Bosh ones, you got these clips right here. You're gonna squeeze them together, like so, one on each side, and that opens it up, okay? Now you're gonna lift up your arm. You're gonna put right through the hole and around into the J channel, like so, and you hear it click in, and it locks into place. You're gonna put the bracket back over, and it clicks, and that's what holds it into place. It's very simple. Take your passenger one, get your little clip underneath, push it up toward the sky, and that releases it. Like I said, put your arm down, get your new one, pinch the side, swivel it up, lift up your arm, push it through the hole, around into the J, like so. You hear it click, push the clip down, and that locks it into place. Give it a couple tugs to make sure that it's firmly on, and you're good to go. That's how you change your wipers on your 5th gen Ram 1500. Like I said, 2019 to present, 2500, 3500, they're all the same deal, okay? Questions, comments, leave them below. I get back to everybody. If the video helped you, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, spread the word. The more the better. If not, leave a comment anyway, tell me I suck. Same deal. Take care, fellas.